What's she doing, Marcus? What are you doing? You got your horsey? Marcus, you got your horsey? Yeah. Oh, and your cat? Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Oh, lost your cat. And your table. Marcus. 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 Grr. Hi. Oh. I see you. Hi. Well, hello. Oh, hello. What are you doing? Hmm? You gonna talk to the horse? Hmm? You gonna talk to the horse? Marcus! Marcus! Hi. Oh. What do you see over there? It's our fridge. Yeah. It's our fridge.